Hi everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. So friends, in this video I'm going to share veg spring rolls friends. This will be so tasty and delicious friends. Please, if you not yet tried it, please give it a try. Now I'll move into the process. Firstly, I took a bowl and I'm adding maida with salt and oil. Firstly, we have to mix all these three ingredients friends. And here is a correction friends, if you need more crispier spring rolls, you can add 4 spoons of corn flour also. Here I used only maida. You can prefer corn flour also to make it more crispier. Firstly, we have to prepare dough like this so tightly, and after applying oil, we have to rest it for 20 minutes. And I'm going to keep it aside. And now, after 20 minutes, I'm going to take a portion of it. As you can see friends, I mixed the dough so tightly, and even we used oil, it will be so soft. And now I'm going to cut them into equal halves. So that we'll, here I used 2 equal halves friends. Firstly, we have to take oil and we have to dust maida like this. Firstly, we have to apply oil and then we have to dust maida in between them, and then we have to roll in the form of thin sheets. So after cooking on the hot tawa, they'll get separated easily friends. That I'll show later. So you can see I'm going to roll it in the form of thin sheets. To maintain minimum wastage, I preferred small sheets, friends, so that I'll get the minimum wastage while I cut those thin sheets in the form of square. So I prepared in the all these sheets in the same way. Now I'm going to place them on the hot tawa. Make sure that friends, we have to cook all the corners of the sheet in a uniform heat so that they'll get separated easily. They should be cooked on the sides also. So after cooking like this, I'm going to keep them aside. In the same way, I prepared all these sheets. Now I'll show how they'll get separated. As we applied oil and we dusted maida also, they'll get separated easily. We can store the sheets in a Ziploc bag, friends. We can keep them in a Ziploc bag and we can store it in the fridge for 10 to 15 days. They'll be fresh. We can prepare them and we can store them also. So in this way, I cut them in the form of square, and so that there is nothing to waste here, friends. After cutting, those pieces will be there. No, we can cut into very small pieces and we can fry them. We can take them as a snack. Here I prepared a paste by using maida and water. To prepare that stuffing, I took a pan and I added 1 spoon oil. To that oil, I'm going to add finely chopped garlic, green chilies, sliced onion. We have to use less oil, friends, because after cooking the spring rolls will get oily, so that we have to prefer less oil while cooking. And I'm adding capsicum now. I'm adding veggies like carrot, beans. I already cooked noodles separately and I kept aside, friends. Later I'm going to add add those noodles also. Here I'm adding cabbage. We have to mix them. I'm adding salt. with pepper powder. So after mixing like this, now I'm adding soy sauce, red chili sauce. Here I planned actually, and I'm using 1 spoon of Szechuan sauce also. I used soya sauce, red chili sauce, and Szechuan also. I think it was repeated. I'm sorry for that. After cooking like this, I'm adding noodles which I cooked earlier. With the help of two forks, we can mix them properly. And finally, I'm going to add vinegar. A little bit of vinegar is enough, friends. Give it a good mix. And then before switching off the flame, I'm going to add coriander leaves. Here I don't have spring onions, friends, so I used coriander leaves. So I'm going to switch off the flame and let it cool. Here to the formerly prepared sheets, now I'm going to place that stuffing to the one corner, and we have to tight them like this. We have to roll it tightly, and then we have to apply that maida paste. So we have to close it like this, and we have to deep fry them. Actually, we took these spring rolls immediately after cooking, friends. If you are planning, we can take it for half an hour later. Then we have to squeeze water from carrot and cabbage, friends, so that spring rolls will be so crispy. As we preferred so freshly, we took so freshly. I didn't squeeze water from carrot and cabbage. Thanks for watching my video. If you like our videos, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please like, share, comment our videos.